How to reset your thyroid with coriander seeds in just 8 days. Are you tired of the problems with your thyroid? We offer a natural solution that will kill all of your thyroid problems. Before we get to that, do you actually know the importance of your thyroid gland? This gland is extremely important for our body. The thyroid is involved in many metabolic processes in the body. It produces hormones such as triiodothyronine and thyroxine, which help in regulating the metabolism and growth of the body. With an imbalance of hormone production in the body, the person will face thyroid problems. Causes of thyroid imbalance: deficiency of vitamin B12, excess consumption of iodine or excess intake of synthetic thyroid hormone, cancerous growth in the thyroid gland. Lumps in the thyroid cause the secretion of thyroid hormones, which disrupts the chemical balance of the body. Inflammation of the gland causes the thyroid gland to release an excess of hormones. Now let's head to the symptoms. There are two types of thyroid imbalance, or in other words, there are generally two types of condition a person can face when an imbalance occurs in the thyroid gland, and both of these conditions comes with different symptoms. Two types of thyroid imbalance conditions. Hypothyroidism. Typically, hypothyroidism affects women more than men. It is recommended to manage it during the pregnancy. It occurs as a result of an underactive thyroid of the glands responsible for the function of the thyroid. There are many factors which can lead to hypothyroidism, including the insufficient production of the hormones. Hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism occurs when there is an override of thyroid hormones in the blood. The thyroid gland just becomes overactive and begins to secrete more hormones, which cause hyperthyroidism. Symptoms. Hyperthyroidism is usually characterized by weight gain, depression, joint pain, sensitivity to heat and cold, higher cholesterol levels, a feeling of tightness in the throat, vision problems, and dry skin. Hyperthyroidism, on the other hand, includes symptoms as nervousness, weight loss, mood swings, weight loss, rapid irregular heartbeats, etc. We have a natural homemade remedy that will help you to treat your problem in just 8 days. Let's find out more. Coriander seeds for thyroid. Coriander seed water is definitely one of the most effective natural remedies that will help you to manage the symptoms in 8 days. Coriander seeds contain minerals which can fight the infection that can grow in the body. This remedy is completely safe to use, even for pregnant women and nursing mother. How to prepare. Needed ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, drinkable water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions: add the coriander seeds to the boiling water and cover it. Let it boil on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from heat and eliminate the waste seeds from the water. Transfer this coriander water in a glass and add the honey to taste. To improve your thyroid symptoms, drink this water every morning, for at least 1 week, before your breakfast. As we said before, this remedy is completely natural and safe to use. It will effectively manage your thyroid symptoms. To get the best results, make sure to include little exercise in your daily routine.